అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మా చిన్నప్పుడు అంటే మీ కాలేజీలో ఉన్నప్పుడు అనంతపూర్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఒక డ్రాఫ్ట్ ఏరియాస్ అని చెప్పేవాళ్ళు. ఎస్పెషల్లీ కళ్యాణదుర్గం అంటానే ఇసుక దిన్నెలు వస్తున్నాయి. ఒక 5 ఏళ్లలో కళ్యాణదుర్గం మన అనంతపూర్లోనే ఉన్నదని చెప్పేవాళ్ళు. బట్ ఈరోజు కళ్యాణదుర్గంలో ఉండే పంటలు ఎక్కడ లేవు. ఓన్లీ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ హార్టికల్చర్ అండ్ డ్రిప్ సిస్టమ్. ఈ రెండు వల్లనే మనం ఈరోజు బాగున్నాం. నేను చెప్పేది ఒకటే సార్, మాకు బనానాలో టిష్యూ కల్చర్ రోజు రోజుకు రేటు పెంచుతున్నారు. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, ఈ దళారులతో మాకు చాలా నష్టం వస్తుంది. అసలుకి ఈరోజు 27,000 రూపాయలు ఉందంటే బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ మ్యాన్. ఆయన మహారాష్ట్ర నుంచి మాధవన్ ఉన్నాడు. బికాస్ హీ ఈజ్ సప్లైయింగ్ టు ద జమ్మూ అండ్ కాశ్మీర్. సో టుడే ద రేట్ ఈస్ 27,000 rupees. First of all, we have to restrict the middlemen, sir. Otherwise, there will be a loss to the cultivators. Please, మనము ఇవన్నీ చేస్తున్నాం కానీ పంట వచ్చినప్పుడు we are not able to get the nice rate to the agriculturists. So we have to take care of the middlemen, sir. Something has to be done. Otherwise, ఒకప్పుడు మాకు 14 రూపాయలే ఉండేది. ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ వచ్చినప్పటి నుంచి ఎస్పెషల్లీ తాడిపత్రి నుంచి మొన్ననే 40 బోగీలు పోయినాయి బికాస్ ఆఫ్ చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు అండి. ఫస్ట్ చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు వచ్చినప్పుడే లాస్ట్ 5 years కింద ముందు బనానా పోయింది ఇరాన్కు, ఇరాక్కి. నౌ రష్యా నీడ్స్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ బనానా. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎంకరేజ్ ద అగ్రికల్చర్ బై గివింగ్ నైస్ రేట్స్. అదర్వైజ్ దే కాంట్ సస్టైన్ ద లాస్. దిస్ హ్యాస్ టు బి టేకెన్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్, sir. Please. And one more thing, today I am very grateful to my collector. Young energetic collector is here. Sir, you have started it. Don't stop it. Because of you only today all the people have come here. We came to know that something is there. So, Collector Garu, don't leave it here. So you have started it. It has to go. Amma Rajendranna, మీరు కూడా దయచేసి. అండ్ మినిస్టర్ గారు, కొంత రెవెన్యూస్ పెట్టి మా ఖర్చు చూసుకోండి. ఇది కూడా రెవెన్యూ ఇచ్చేదన్నా. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఐ వాంట్ టు ఫెసిలిటేట్ మై కలెక్టర్. ప్లీజ్ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ జేసీ ప్రభాకర్ రెడ్డి గారు. ఇప్పుడు మన అందరి మధ్యలో రాలేకపోయినా సమ్ రెస్పెక్టెడ్ ఆఫీసర్స్ అండ్ ఆనరబుల్ మినిస్టర్స్ వీడియో మెసేజెస్ పంపించారు మన కోసం. First, it is our honor to hear from Srimati Anita Barik ma'am, IRTS officer and currently posted as Senior General Manager, Container Corporation of India Limited. Can we have her video, please? Srimati Anita Barik ma'am's video. Good morning, Anita ma'am. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am. You are live on the Ananta Horticulture Conclave. We request you to please deliver your address.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Respected dignitaries, respected Minister from Government of Andhra Pradesh, Honorable Minister of Finance, Honorable Minister of Food Processing, Commerce, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Honorable Minister of Agriculture, and Honorable MPs and MLAs of Andhra Pradesh, Special Chief Secretary to Government of Andhra Pradesh, Director Horticulture, AP CEO Food Processing Society, District Collector, and all the officers from Government of Andhra Pradesh, esteemed guests, fellow horticulturists, and dear participants. Good morning. And a very hearty congratulations to all of you gathered there at Anantapur. It is both an honor and a privilege for me to be part of this inaugural horticulture conclave, first of its kind at Anantapur. Please accept my apologies for not being able to join you in person, but I'm really, really grateful that I could join you remotely. And my sincere thanks to District Collector Sri Brinod Kumar for making all the arrangement for this virtual participation. Coming to today's event, I recall once our Special Chief Secretary, Government of Andhra Pradesh, had said that Anantapur was once a water deficit place where agriculture was a very difficult question and it was a difficult terrain for any kind of agricultural produce or horticulture produce. But today, as we gathered here, we understand that Anantapur has turned into a horticultural hub of Andhra Pradesh. It is a very proud moment for all of us, and this conclave has come at a very right time, and it is an opportunity that we celebrate the progress and transformation that the horticulture industry in Anantapur has achieved. The district, as Vinata has already said rightly, that it has become a driving engine of horticulture. However, we also must understand that there are many challenges in horticulture today. And one of the most critical barriers for farmers is to access market, the larger markets which are not there in locally, but they are available nationally and internationally. And for that, logistics is a very important factor. And logistic cost also plays a very important factor in accessing the market nationally and internationally. For in such a scenario, I think that organizations like Container Corporation, who is a leading player in logistics sector, they become very important, and it is to get this larger access to the market, partnering with Container Corporation like organization becomes very strategic goal, and it becomes very strategically important for the farmers. And I'm here very, very pleased to share that in partnership with exporters and other stakeholders, Conquer has facilitated transportation of almost around 5,800 metric tons of bananas over the past 3 months from Anantapur to Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, Mumbai. And this banana was transported for export purpose. This is a success story, and this success story highlights the hard work and determination of the farmers of Anantapur. And in this forum, once again, I would like to assure that Container Corporation is committed to continue logistical support for this region in future also. And Container Corporation has a great capacity, it has a huge network, it has transportation hubs, and it can help in bridging the gap between the local producers and the broader market out there. Another factor which is very, very important in agricultural produce is the longevity of the produce. We understand for that we need to have a transportation and logistics system which is swift, and it can give a transportation which is faster. At the same time, it should be able to retain the value of the commodity, the quality of the commodity. And in this area, Container Corporation is also investing in the cold chain infrastructure. It is utilizing reefer containers, and we have also adopted ice factory technology trucks for short lead transportation and all. This is helping in many ways to reduce the post-harvest losses for the farmers and maximizing the value for both the customers as well as the farmers. Another factor which is again is important is how eco-friendly our product is. And in today's world, everybody wants an eco-friendly product. Even consumers are becoming very aware of this factor. What kind of fertilizer is being used in the produce, what kind of pesticides are used, what kind of toxicity this production has, and similarly what kind of transportation network the product has gone through. So for that, having an eco-friendly transport network is also very important. And as all of you are aware, Container Corporation's transportation is 90% of it is rail-based, which is an eco-friendly mode of transportation. Besides that, in the road network also, Conquer is utilizing LNG trucks, which are much more eco-friendly, and they are also less carbon emission is there, and they also are economical because the fuel cost as compared to diesel and petrol is lesser. So in this forum, I would also request the administrative authorities of Andhra Pradesh, if we can do more and more investment on the LNG mode of fuel. That would be very helpful for our products, where we can take these products in an eco-friendly way and we can access larger markets out there. The other factor which also is influencing the logistics sector is what kind of data we are sharing with our farmers and our stakeholders. And I'm happy to inform to the August gathering here that Container Corporation invests substantially on the technology, especially on the information network and data analytics, and giving a real-time information to our customers. That means that the farmers or exporter, anybody utilizing our service, can have a complete visibility of their service. In that, they can do a better inventory management for their services. They can see where the product is geographically, and they can have a better marketing tool, utilize those data as a better marketing tool for their customers, and it helps it helps in giving an overall visibility of the product, where the product is and where it is going, how much lead time it is taking, and then its overall impact in the logistics system. On this occasion, I would also like to express that our commitment to work closely with Government of Andhra Pradesh and other various stakeholders. I also want to assure that we are future ready. We are ready to align our services with the needs of the agricultural and horticultural sector, be it fruits, vegetable, in whatever way, in whatever place. If there is a requirement to partner in terms of logistics, we are ready and we can offer our services so that our products are more globally competitive and we have a name in the global market. In conclusion, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Government of Andhra Pradesh for providing this invaluable platform where I could discuss the critical role logistics plays in the development of horticulture sector. I also look forward that similar conclaves be organized in future so that we all can collaborate and lead towards a better future for the horticulture sector. I wish a lot of success to this horticulture conclave. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.